Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make transparent driving in Paint. So guys, very easy. If you want to transparent driving in Paint, firstly open Paint, click on Home, select any icon. If you want to change color, so here if you want to transfer, so select any icon. After click on select it, click on select it, there, and click on your transparent selection. There. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to make transparent driving in Paint. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.